Hey guys, this is Peter and welcome back to the channel. Since last year 2022, Honor has already been teasing their upcoming mid-range smartphone called Honor X9a 5G. And now that it's about to be officially available, we finally got our hands on one, and let's check it out. Alam niyo ba, Honor claims that this is also the first mid-ranger equipped with an ultra-durable premium curved OLED screen. It is said to be one of the strongest screens in the market, kaya itetest din natin yan. This is our unboxing and first impressions of the Honor X9a 5G. So simulan natin sa package niya. Upon opening the box, we get the phone right away. Then under that is the usual smaller box that contains your tiny SIM ejector tool, documents, and a free clear case. At siyempre, meron din itong kasamang charging cable and 40-watt SuperCharge adapter. Sa ibang brand dyan, may bayad na yan kahit sa mga mid-range phones. Focusing on the Honor X9a 5G, ang eye-catching ng design niya for me. That gives it off a high-end smartphone vibe. We have it in the emerald green color and it has a nice matte graphite effect at the back together with the hard-to-miss circular triple camera module. Despite its size, this is surprisingly light and slim. All of its buttons can be found on the right. That's the volume and power buttons. Meanwhile, on top, we get an IR blaster and a secondary noise-cancelling microphone. Then at the bottom are its dual SIM card tray, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and the speaker grill. Now, as mentioned earlier, Honor claims that this has one of the strongest screens in the market with a 120Hz curved OLED display. Tara, tingnan natin kung totoo yun. So totoo nga, ang galing, matibay ito guys. We drop it numerous times and walang basag yung display niya. Siguro yung corners niya pwedeng magkaroon ng dent, pero on the screen itself, hindi to basta-bastang masisira. More on its OLED display. Beside the toughness and the 120Hz smooth refresh rate, meron din itong 300Hz touch sampling rate and up to 800 nits max brightness. So far, we are liking it. It looks vibrant, seamless, and smooth. By the way, sa screen, makikita mo yung punch hole for the selfie camera and sa may bandang baba naman ng display, yung kanyang under-display or in-display fingerprint scanner. So gamit na gamit yung screen, halos walang bezels, linis tingnan, and very immersive so far. Mukhang solid to for binge watching on the go. When it comes to cameras, the Honor X9a 5G is composed of a 64MP main camera offering an f1.8 aperture size, a 5MP wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and a 2MP macro shooter offering an f2.4 aperture size. We took it for a spin and here are some samples for you guys. As for internals, this phone is powered with a 5G-ready Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 2.2GHz octa-core processor along with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB. Pagdating naman sa storage, the unit we have packs 256GB, so ang laki nun. At dami-dami tayo ma-store na photos, files, and other applications. Mukhang okay din yung battery nito with a large 5,100mAh capacity with 40 watts Honor SuperCharge. And finally, yung software niya, it comes with Android 12 skinned with Magic UI 6.1. As of the moment, we think that the Honor X9a 5G definitely has an edge with its durability, although the brand didn't mention any IP water and dust resistance. We also really like na pang high-end yung itsura niya, rare to for a mid-ranger. Other than that, it does have competitive specs within the mid-range market today. Yung presyo niya, 16,990 pesos lang. Not bad, mura to. Anyway, we will be doing a full review for this device, so stay tuned. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com and I'll see you next time. Stay safe always and goodbye!